guts. What is the meaning of this?
It's time I got me some Elder Skulls. I hear their Farseer got a pretty skull.
Just stay clear of the Titan, Orc. Try to rob me of my prize, and I'll rob you of your limbs!
You's too worried about that Titan, Crow. Makes you blind. Maybe I should destroy it for you. Keep your mind on important things, like winning.
The Titan is the only prize worth having. Take another step towards it, and I will drive my thumbs into your greasy eye pits!
The Imperial boy smashed you good. You's weak. The new hammer, Crow, is me. My war is unstoppable. What you got? Nothing.
I have enough men to seize the control gate. And who controls the gate controls the fate of this battle!
The objective is not lost on us. Yes. For the glory of chaos!
We're here to serve, Master. For the great powers. But of course, Master. We're here to serve, Master.
Cross me and die.
Now what?
My life is forfeit.
It is done! It is as though 1,000 mouths cry out in pain. Your will? On our way!
My life is forfeit. We will build it for you. We're here for the Dark Gods. Whatever you desire.
At your command! My lord, at your command! I feel the warp overtaking me. It is a good pain.
Anything for the great powers.
We are under attack! It is as though 1,000 mouths cry out in pain.
Show me the enemy. I see the purpose.
Chaos raptors ready to kill.
The ground trembles with every step.
What would you have us do?
What do you
want? Whatever you desire.
For the Dark Gods! Meeting resistance! At your command, Chaos Raptors ready to kill. We are when do we attack? When do we attack? For the Dark Gods!
I am here to lead you! Back off! Show me the enemy! I am here to lead you!
Yes, meeting resistance! The path to ruin.
Predator here, the armored fist of chaos.
Yes, master.
All weapons primed.
Meeting resistance!
Here to lead you!
Just take us into the thick of it. Moving out.
Cross me and die!
Prepare for battle.
Back off!
After 1,000 battles, one only stays dead. Predator here, the armored fist of chaos. Just take us into the thick of it.
We're here for the Dark Gods.
After 1,000 battles, one only stays dead.
We are taking fire!
Just take us into the thick of it.
them! For the slaughter! Why aren't we killing it? You want that worthless trinket? Fight on! It will be done!
Prepare for battle!
For the slaughter! This is the last time! What do you want?
Prepare for battle!
Meeting resistance!
What do you want? I seethe with purpose. Cross me and die. Where is the blood I was promised? I seethe with purpose. We played your
Just take a second and think of it.
The Chaos Gods speak clearly now. Chaos consume us!
I seethe with purpose. Blood! 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 I am here to lead you! Back off! I go!
All weapons primed and ready for battle.
Don't think you can order me around! Why should I? I am here to lead you!
My life is forfeit. Yes, yes! We will work faster!
The Chaos Gods speak clearly now. This is the last time! I feel the warp overtaking me. It is a good pain. We are taking fire! I feel the warp overtaking me. It is a good pain.
thinks you can order me around?
Then it comes to this. Facing my last battle with filthy aliens like yourself at my side, rather than valiant men like Stern.
Then appreciate the universe, human. It possesses the strange ability to laugh in the face of our misfortune. Good luck to you.
Prepare yourselves, men! Show these aliens the meaning of valor!
Indeed, sisters. Stand strong. Show these humans the meaning of dignity.
We are under attack!
Slaughter them all! possibly know. The ancient powers of chaos. They plead. The ancient powers of chaos. Gather they please. Do not trifle with me, worm!
The Chaos Gods speak clearly. We are taking fire!
All weapons primed and ready for battle. All weapons primed and ready for battle. Nothing can stop us now. Agreed. Let fly all guns. We will crush their skulls under our iron tracks.
Yes! The Titan is mine, Orc! Now rot! Rot as you should have done days ago!
If it wasn't for me, you'd be dead, Troll.
So would you, Orc. But I spared your life so you can fight my battles, nothing more! You've been a good dog. Now die!
Maybe all we Orc boys do is fight and die. But you know what? We're good at it, and we still gonna win. Then why we lose, huh? What? You talking to me? We thought you was the biggest, baddest boss. Why we lose then? still bigger than yous. Now, who else been doing the thinking, huh? You think you can take me? I's the biggest orc here. Show me what you got.